As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm looking at two propane grills, the MASTER COOK 3-burner and the Weber Q1200. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the MASTER COOK has a much larger cooking area, around 472 square inches, compared to the Weber's 189. That's a significant difference if you're cooking for a family.
Yeah, space is important. But the Weber is smaller, right? More portable?
Exactly. The Weber Q1200 is designed for portability. It's lighter, only 30 pounds versus the MASTER COOK's almost 47 pounds. Plus, it runs on those small propane cylinders, making it super convenient for camping or tailgating.
Portability is a plus. What about power?
The MASTER COOK throws out 30,000 BTU, while the Weber Q1200 maxes out at 8,500 BTU. So the MASTER COOK will definitely heat up faster and get hotter overall.
Okay, so bigger cooking area, more heat with the MASTER COOK. Smaller, more portable with less heat with the Weber. Anything else that stands out?
Well, the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and searing. The MASTER COOK has porcelain-enameled wire grates, which are okay, but maybe not quite as good.
And the price? They are different, right?
Both are similar, with the MASTER COOK at $198.99 after discount, and the Weber Q1200 at $259. That's a decent chunk of change, and the Weber is a bit more.
Right, so the MASTER COOK is cheaper and offers more cooking space and heat. The Weber is more expensive but more portable. What about reviews?
The Weber Q1200 has fantastic reviews, a 4.8 rating with almost 8,000 reviews. People seem to love its build quality and ease of use. The MASTER COOK has a 4.2 rating with over 3,500 reviews, but some people mentioned flimsy construction.
Okay, so Weber is a more solid brand with stronger reviews?
Seems that way. It really boils down to what you need. If you need a grill for larger gatherings at home, the MASTER COOK might be the better value. If you need something portable and reliable, the Weber Q1200 is probably worth the extra money.
Okay, I think I have a better picture now. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.